Greetings, fellow Buckeyes, and thank you for helping us celebrate the 75th anniversary of the Welding Engineering program at The Ohio State University. Whether you are a current student, alumnus, faculty member, staff member, or supporter of our world-renowned program, thank you for being part of the reason we can celebrate tonight. Roots of welding engineering at Ohio State can be traced back to the post-war era, when welding was used to repair equipment for the country's defense program. Its effectiveness created a need to understand the science behind joining. Typical of a land-grant institution, Ohio State embraced welding engineering and dedicated resources to its advancement. 7.5 decades later, our focus on the science of materials joining has evolved into a complex engineering discipline that supports national security, energy initiatives, space exploration, transportation, medical device technology, and many other significant application areas. The program is a static fixture among the timeliness of Ohio State and the College of Engineering, thanks to the thousands of Buckeyes like you who are associated with its legacy. You are part of the legacy that transforms and advances industries. These industries save lives. They provide for us. They protect our freedom. If you look at the timeline of the Welding Engineering program at Ohio State, its milestones are remarkable. The program evolves with industry demands. The high bay on campus reflects operations in industry. And I might add that as a roboticist, I always love seeing robotic welding in action on campus. Our curriculum and research include analysis and testing of materials used in extreme conditions, like lower Earth orbit. How else will the International Space Station be maintained if NASA can't weld in space? And yes, this is a real project we are working on with NASA. Ask Antonio Ramirez and Boyd Panton about it tonight. Our program adapts to meet the needs of people like Liz Lekarsik, who is a joining quality supervisor with Stellantis and a student in the online graduate program. Did you know that Ohio State's fully online master's degree in welding engineering was launched 20 years ago? It was the college's first fully online graduate program. Ohio State is the only institution in the country to offer a bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degree in welding engineering. Take pride in this unrivaled position. Continue to connect with each other. You are ideal ambassadors to promote the welding engineering discipline to the next generation. Welding engineering is a sweet spot that combines physics, chemistry, metallurgy, mechanics, machine design, structural design, and electrical engineering. Tonight, let's celebrate 75 years of growth, collaboration, innovation, and advancements that collectively earn the program world-renowned status. Let's celebrate the 3,000 welding engineering alumni who enjoy amazing job security. Let's celebrate the rich history of a program steeped in pride and unwavering in opportunity. Happy 75th anniversary, Welding Engineering.